welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, here we have Lakshmi again. Yay! It's always fun to have Lakshmi in the kitchen.
It's so fun. What are we making today?
Well, I got a real treat for you because I know you sometimes sneak out in the middle of the night and go to a certain fast food restaurant.
I try. I try not to.
Yeah, but I know you have a bit of a weakness for certain things, and chips is one, but obviously we're not doing that. We're going to do one of your favourite desserts from a fast food restaurant.
My favourite?
What is it?
It's Oreo McFlurry.
Yes, Oreo McFlurry, and we all love that.
Yes.
And well, obviously Oreos are supposed to be vegan, and McDonald's ice cream, I would say, is just made of sugar and chemicals. But as you know, it's not healthy, is it?
It just shows the clarity of thinking of one when they work late in an office or studio.
Yes,
like
I know. But I'm going to show you how you can actually make it yourself at home, and it's surprisingly, very easy to make.
Okay.
And obviously, we use much healthier ingredients, and we make it a lot lower in sugar.
Well, I'm looking forward to having some of these in the studio.
Yeah, so you can happily munch on that without worrying about your health or your skin or your weight or anything like that.
That would be great.
So first we need the soft serve ice cream. So this is mostly made from coconut cream. And we have a little maple syrup to sweeten it, and of course a nice helping of vanilla. It's best to buy good quality vanilla for this because it really gives the added vanilla flavour to your ice cream. So we'll just get the can. So for our sweetener, we'll put 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We're going to use a tablespoon of our nice quality vanilla, which is obviously vanilla extract with seeds still in it, so it'll have more flavour. So, tablespoon. So now we're just going to mix it together. Just beat it up a bit. Base of our ice cream. Now obviously this works best in an ice cream maker because then you get that lovely soft serve texture after it's been churned. But if you don't have an ice cream maker, then just put it in your freezer until it gets really, really cold and slightly freezing on the edge, and then just beat it really well. Then put it back in for a while, then repeat the beating process again, and then you will get an ice cream. But obviously the texture won't be as good as if you have an ice cream maker, which we are fortunate enough to have. So we're going to use that now. During churning, we can get to the Oreos, which is a very important part of the whole thing. And actually, if you don't want the soft serve, you can just make this and just have the Oreos. And I know it's easy to buy a pack from the supermarket, but as you'll see, it's pretty easy to make too, and you're obviously getting healthier ingredients and a lot less sugar. So it's worth just taking a little time making your own.
Yes.
So we're going to use cacao powder, just raw cacao. It's full of antioxidants and nutrients, very good for you. So we'll just use 1/2 cup of that. We need 1/4 cup of corn flour.
Okay.
So I've got, this is 1/8 cup, so I'll put 2 of these.
Kill me.
Now don't give up and go to Coles or Woolworths and buy some, please. Just persevere with me. 1/4 cup of maple syrup. That's 1/8, so one more will make 1/4. 1 cup of melted coconut oil. it forms a dough.
Yes.
And this is going to be our cookie dough. So now we have our dough. So we're going to divide this dough up into 18 small balls.
18? 18?
Yeah. So we want to divide this into 18 small balls. Can you do it?
I don't know.
Well, let's first make a half.
Okay.
So we're just going to roll it and flatten it. You just flatten it with your hands to make a small cookie.
Cute.
So we're going to join them together. So there'll be 2 as the Oreos are. So we just got to cook them at 180 degrees for only about 5 to 7 minutes. That's all. Okay, so to make the filling for our Oreos, we're going to use some more coconut cream.
Delicious.
Yeah, so it's just the hard part of the cream out of a can of coconut cream. Put it in the fridge and just get the hard part and leave the water. We don't use the water in this. So we're going to whip this with the mixer and add a bit more vanilla and a bit more maple syrup just to give it a nice flavour. Right, as you
My name is Bill.
our soft serve ice cream is done.
Oh,
Taste?
delicious. Yes, please.
Is it good? Is it better than McDonald's?
Yes.
See?
It's really creamy. It doesn't taste like plastic.
Yeah.
It actually tastes like real vanilla and cream.
There you go.
That's nice.
Because it has got real vanilla and real coconut cream in it.
Real food.
Yeah, real food, not sugar and chemicals. They're out of the oven. We'll just let them cool.
Sponsor.
You can just pipe it into a cup, or you can just scoop it in, or you can eat it from the bowl.
Like me.
Yeah, if you wish. Alright, so I'm just going to pipe it into these cups. Actually, you can see the real vanilla beans in this too. So you know you're eating nice quality vanilla.
Yum, yum.
That I already crushed.
Wow.
So all we need to do is
This
just...
really looks like the real one.
Yeah, so you just need to sprinkle it over the top. You can do that.
Amazing.
So obviously you just crush the cookies after they're cool, of course. Let them cool first. And then you can put as much as you like on the ice cream. Some nice little spoons to finish off our little midnight dessert treat. Okay, so now we have our delicious Oreo McFlurries and our Oreo cookies.
Delicious.
So now, the fun part, you can taste your hard work.
Alright, let's get into it.
Yeah, and see what you think about it.
I'm supposed to swish it around.
Well, yeah, you know what to do. I don't buy these kind of things.
You mix it
Watch Lakshmi, because she knows how to eat it.
like a flurry.
Taste and tell me what you think. Now, is that like a McFlurry?
It's good. It's like a real chocolate flavor. It doesn't taste like plastic.
Well, that's a win situation, I think. So next time you want to go out in the middle of the night to McDonald's or Hungry Jack's, think again. And whip up your own.
Yes. Do it.
Yeah,
It's worth it.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.